Good morning, students. As it's maths time and we are on the last exercise of chapter 2, that is exercise 6, and it's very interesting, very easy. I'm gonna make you do only one question today, and the rest of the questions you need to do yourselves. Okay, and it's very easy. Hope you will understand the concept very quickly. Let's start. I have written here three numbers: 43 plus 26 plus 11. Here I have written the places tens and ones, as you are given with the spaces in the book as well. So what we need to do is, I'll be writing the first two numbers here, 43, 26. What I have done is, I have written the first two numbers here, 43 and 26, and I'm gonna add them. How do I add? I always start with the ones place and I keep in mind the greater number. Which is the greater number here? 6. So I'm gonna keep in mind 6, and afterwards I'll be moving 3 blocks further, or you can take 3 fingers up, whatever suits you the best. So I need to move 3 blocks forward after 6. So it's 7, 8 and 9. Here I write 9. Now what? Now 4 in the mind, because 4 is being greater, 4 in the mind and 2 blocks further, 5, 6. So here I am getting 6. Now what we need to do is, we will write the 69 here and the third number 11 here. You must be thinking, we have already done this, right? We have done it. Actually, we have done it in exercise 3. But there is a twist today. So let's continue. Now what we will keep in mind? 9. How many blocks we need to move further? 1 only. So after 9 it's 10. So I'm writing 10 0 here and 1 will be carried over. I'm having less space here, so I'm writing 1 over 10s. Now what in mind? 6 being the greater number, 6 in mind, and how many blocks I need to move? 2 blocks. 1 for this and 1 for this. So after 6 it's 7 and 8. What I'm getting is 8. This was one of the way which I told you earlier. And here, as you can see, I have written shorter method. Shorter method, which is taking less time as compared to this, is what we will be writing all these three numbers together: 43, 26 and 11, and we are gonna add them together, all together. How all together? How can we add all together? Again, we will start from ones place. We need to keep in mind the greatest number, which is 6 in mind, 3 blocks for this and 1 for this. Fine. 3 and 1. How many they are? 4. In total, we need to make 4 blocks further after 6. Or you can do one thing: 6 in the mind, 3 fingers for this and 1 finger for this. Together you can take 4 fingers. I'm gonna make them count on the blocks. 6 in the mind, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm getting 10. So 0 here and 1 carried over. Now 4 being the greater number, 4 in mind, how many blocks? 2 for this, okay, 1 for this, 3 and 1 for this. So in total 4 blocks to move forward further. So after 4 we are going to start 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm getting 8. As you can see, in the previous my answer was 80. Right? Here also my answer is 80. So I can apply any of the ways to find the sum. But once you are given that you need to find this ways, so you need to apply this method. If you are asked to do in a shorter method, short method, this is the shorter method, right? This I'm going to explain you one more time. We are starting from ones place and we are keeping the bigger number in mind, 6 being the greater number. I'm keeping 6 in mind, 3 blocks for this and 1 for this. Students, if you find it a little clumsy, little difficult, what you can do is 6 in the mind, 3 blocks further. So 7, 8, 9. You can keep 9 in your mind now and then move 1 block further. Okay, this is also one of the way you can do in your mind. 6 in the mind, 3 blocks further, 7, 8, 9. Now keep 9 in mind and move 1 block further, so it's 10. You can do like this also. Like I'm keeping 4 in my mind, 2 for this, 5, 6. Now this time I will keep 6 in mind, again 1 block for this and 1 for this carryover. So whatever the method you like, you find the most comfortable in, you can apply that. If you find easier to add them together and you can keep the calculations in your mind, go with it. As I have told you earlier, that I find more easy. Keep 6 in mind and 3 blocks for this and 1 for this together. If you start counting together, that will be more easier and better. So hope the concept is clear to you. And here we are done with chapter 2. Tomorrow I'm going to start with chapter 3, which is subtraction. So today is your last day of doing addition. If you find any query related to any of the question in addition, do ask me. I will definitely sort it out. See you in the next video.